Vocabulary to describe personal attributes. Here are some vocabulary words to describe personal attributes. Honest. Someone who's honest always tells the truth. Example, my friend is very honest. She never lies. Ambitious. Someone who's ambitious has a strong desire to achieve something. Example, she's very ambitious and wants to be a successful businesswoman. Confident. Someone who's confident has a strong belief in their own abilities. Example, he is a confident speaker and always does well in presentations. Kind. Someone who's kind is friendly, helpful, and caring. Example, she's very kind and always offers to help her friends. Patient. Someone who's patient is able to wait calmly without getting upset. Example, he's very patient and never gets frustrated when things take a long time.